Alrighty, guys. I want y'all to take a look at something. I'm under the underbody of a 2017 Compass. Okay, must be up north. Well, anyway, she complained about a little oil leak. She saw a drop on her driveway. Now, y'all take a look at something. Y'all see this oil pan? How it's starting to deteriorate? What the hell? I see the transmission pan like this one time. Like, this thing is like leaking from within. Like, this finna be a major problem right here. It's all soft. Oh, I don't even want to touch it. I might cause a leak. But yeah, I can't do it, dog. I can't be. This car is about to just shed. You know how dogs shed every year. This car is about to shed some. They complain about noises and all kinds of no. All right. The good news is she from out of town. So she just stopped by and see, can we check her car out? So from the work you need, you're not gonna be able to leave your car and get all this done. And I ain't interested in doing it anyway. All right. I know some of y'all think this guy's soft. He don't want to do nothing. Hey man, we got rules around here, and one of the rules is not to put your company in, liability harm's way. Yeah, man, you ain't gonna never be able to shut this car up. And I'm telling you, I heard hub bearings ruined on the way into the shop. All right, yeah, I'm gonna write all that up. Now I'm gonna recommend some stuff, but she ain't gonna. Yeah, you out of town. You lucky you made it. All right, this stuff. Like I say, I seen that's soft, guys. If I push too hard, I'm gonna cause a leak. I'm not touching that. Yeah, y'all be careful, man. What y'all stop being so damn cocky, man. Look, man, your pride gonna get y'all. Some of y'all, especially in the comment section of that video, where I wouldn't touch. I didn't want to work on that lady exhaust because it was all. Some of y'all pride gonna get y'all in trouble, man. Let me say this, man. This is my motto: all money ain't freaking good money. Okay, it's just not. And especially at a facility like this. Here's why a lot of you guys are cocky. I figured it out. Y'all at establishments that customers will just simply leave y'all as and not go back. I get y'all kind of customers all the time. I'm like, man, why you didn't go back over there? He just worked on this. I ain't never going back over there. So you just gonna let them off the hook? Yeah, blah, 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 blah. See, that's where all the cocky mechanics work at, all right? See, they ain't gonna even try to sue y'all. Y'all shop so, tiny or whatever. It doesn't look lucrative enough to present a lawsuit. So they just let y'all off the hook. They'll come to big establishment like where I'm at right now. I work out of 4 shops, and they not all big. But this one, if you a habitual lawsuit bringer owner, yeah, you would think, oh, I could sue them. I wish they would mess up something on my car. Yeah, so we get training on what and what not to avoid. Okay? Some of y'all bootleg mechanics get in the comment section, man, you scared of that? You scared. Nigga, it ain't about fear, guys. It's about common sense, okay? Let me say this again. All money ain't good money, all right? I'm not, and the reason the way we are now, because we done been through all that. It's some of the little things here that would trigger a pissed off customer and lawsuits. All right. So yeah, they have to have training with all the employees. So a lot of my decision making process is based on the employer that I'm at the time. Again, I work out of 4 shops. The biggest shop I work out of do not play those games. And if I put the company into harm's way by making a questionable repair attempt, because every repair we make is a repair attempt to fix a problem that the customer complaining about. If I make an ill-advised repair attempt, yes, we independent as well. We work for the company, but we also independent in our decision making. All right, we got to have common sense to know what and what not to attempt to repair on. Yeah, that cocky stuff won't work here. So all you cocky ass mechanics, y'all better stay where y'all at. Y'all can pull that stuff off there. All money ain't good money. I don't even want this kind of money. All right, this soft ass oil pan. I'm not saying, hear me out. I'm not saying replacing an oil pan is hard. I'm saying making a decision to attempt to repair on this car in this condition with her being from out of town, it's a dumb decision to make. All right, my light just went out, so I can't see no more. But I gotta go, man. Y'all, let me say this one more time before I get out of here, just in case y'all didn't hear me. Ladies and gentlemen, all money ain't good money. I gotta go.